Hi FLAX fans! In this video we are demonstrating hammer painting. It's an abstract painting technique we've noticed popping up all over Instagram. Turns out it's super easy, super fun, and very cathartic. You simply put a blob of paint on your canvas and hit it with a hammer. It's really that simple. You'll notice we're using white here. Once you've done a few of these hammer blossoms, as we like to call them, you'll start to build up paint on your hammer. If you then use just a dab of white paint, magic happens. As you can see, the paint that builds up on the hammer transfers to the canvas in these magical layers of color. You get really unpredictable results when doing this, which is what we love about it. We've found that Golden Fluid Acrylics work best for this technique. They really fly across the surface, and they also create these interesting outer rings of color. This is definitely a messy project, so you'll want to wear protective clothing. And that's all she wrote. Simple, fun painting with a hammer. Thanks for watching.